So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video we are going to talk about how we can fix the bad topology mesh in a Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. And in this video I'm going to show you some cool tips and tricks which is going to help you reduce and fix the any kind of object topology in a Blender. So make sure you watch this tutorial till end. So here you can see guys, right now we have a two kind of object here, okay, and basically it is a text, by the way. Okay, so on the left hand side we have a very bad topology and we don't have a proper mesh here and we can't see a proper topology here. Okay, but on the right hand side we have a proper topology and which is look nice, by the way. So how you can create that kind of beautiful and clean topology in Blender? So now I will just show you. So let's start it. So first of all I will just delete the both of the texts basically, and I will just go to my front view. So alright guys, here you can see we are in a front view. So first of all I will just add one text here. So for adding the text I will just add one text pressing the shift A, and then I'm just gonna my text properties, and here I will just change this align as a view. So now here you can see that text gonna facing towards us and which is look nice. Okay, and first of all I just want to change one setting which is I should do. So what I will do, I will just go to my text property, and here I will just change this alignment as a center alignment. So now here you can see we can scale and we can move this whole text from the center of this text, and which is cool, by the way. Okay, so after that what I'm gonna do, I will just add little thickness into our text, but before adding the thickness we can give the any kind of name of this text. So I'm just gonna give this name as a Blender. Yeah, so I think Blender is look nice. And now I'm just gonna add some thickness into our object. So I'm just gonna increase the extrude value, and you will find this extrude option under the geometry section. Okay, so I'm just gonna increase little bit extrusion from this extrusion panel. I think that much extrusion will look nice, so we can do it. I think 0.1 is look nice. Okay guys, so now here you can see we have a good extrusion into our text, and which is look nice. Okay, so first of all what I'm gonna do, by the way, I'm just gonna enable my wireframe, and here you can see when I enable my wireframe, so right now here you can see guys we have a very bad topology into our text and we have to fix it. How you can fix this problem, by the way? So first of all what I'm gonna do, first of all I will just change this whole text into a mesh. So for that I will just go to my object, I will just convert this whole text into a mesh. So now here you can see guys we have a physical mesh here, and now that's great. Okay, so now we have to fix this topology because right now we have a very meshy topology here. And for fix this problem, so what we have to do, I will just go to my modifier section, and here I will just add one modifier. It's called basically a remesh modifier. Okay, and here you can see when I add the remesh modifier we have a very weird shape here, and it's totally collapse our whole shape in a one mesh, and which is seriously not look nice, by the way. So first of all what you have to do, you have to just change this voxel as a sharp, and now here you can see when I change this voxel as a sharp, still we can't see any kind of result happening here yet. So what do you have to do, first of all you have to just uncheck this remove disconnected, and what it does exactly, it tell the Blender we need each word in a single mesh basically. Okay, so when I will just disable this, so now we have a that kind of shape here. Now what I'm gonna do, I will just increase the octave depth, and when I will just increase the octave depth value, now you will able to see the magic. So now we have a little basic shape here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna increase the octave depth, and when I increase the octave depth we have a good mesh here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna increase this octave depth almost 8. I think 7 is look nice. Okay, 7 is look fine, by the way. So now here you can see guys we have almost a good topology here, and which is look fine, by the way. Okay guys, now let me explain some option here basically. Okay, so octave depth increase the mesh amount of each object separately, and the scale basically what it does, it's gonna scale our whole mesh basically. Here you can see when I'm just gonna increase and decrease this, so now you will able to see it's gonna scaling and scaling our mesh basically. Here you can see. Okay, so you can set your mesh according to your desire. You can just check it where it's gonna fit for you. Okay, but I think 0.9, that default value is look fine to me. So I'm not gonna change this default value right now. Okay, because we can see a very good topology here, and which is look nice. And next option is the sharpness option basically, and what it does exactly, so it's gonna preserve the sharpness of each and every object. And let me show you. So here you can see when I'm just gonna decrease this sharpness value to 0. Okay, so now here you can see on the corner of the every edge you will find some unsharp edges, and which is not look nice. But when I'm just going to increase the sharpness, now we have a perfect sharpness edges here. So I'm just going to keep it 1, and now here you can see we have a perfect sharp edges here. Okay guys, so I hope guys you are getting these 3 options very nicely. So, and remove disconnected, I already told you what it does exactly. It's gonna separate the each and every part of the whole mesh. Okay, okay, so for example, you have a bunch of object in a one mesh, and when you add the remesh modifier, it's basically take the whole mesh in a one mesh. So we have to tell the Blender, no, we have a different kind of parts in a one mesh, so please remove the disconnected object basically. Okay, so here we go, and that's exactly that remove disconnected work. Okay, and the next option is the threshold basically, and it's gonna preserve the mesh amount of each and every object. Okay, and the last option is the smooth shading, and you know that smooth shading basically what it does. Right now if I'm just gonna show you, we don't have any kind of smoothness into our object, but when I'm just gonna enable this smooth shading, so now we have that kind of effect happening, but we have a good smoothness here, but we don't have a good smoothness here, by the way. So if you want to fix this problem, so what you have to do, it's called basically a shading problem. So you have to just go to your object data property, and under the normals you will get a auto smooth, and when you will just check this auto smooth, now you will able to see a good mesh and smooth mesh as well. Okay guys, so I hope guys you get it each and every option of this modifier, and also you get it how you can fix the bad topology of any object. And I hope guys you learned something new today. And one more thing I just want to tell you guys, you can use this trick any kind of object, it will work for all object. Okay, right now I shown in a text basically, because lots of people are facing the problem in a text, that's why I pick up this text option. Okay, if you wanted to use this trick any kind of object, you can use it, and you will always get a desirable result. That's I'm telling to you. Okay guys, if you are not believing on me, so you can just try it, and if you get the desirable result, so after that make sure you come this video, and under the comment section you can just write a comment, get a desirable result. Okay guys, so that's it pretty much of this video. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.